Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon from Bangkok, from our penthouse. This is Infinity Wealth Management, and we have IM Network Individual to multiply the network through cryptocurrency. If you are a high network individual investor and you want have access to the cryptocurrency, well, you are at the right place. And if you are a person that work with high network individual in Bangkok or in Thailand, well, you are in the right place because we can partner together. So without lose time, let's jump in the video because I have a very interesting topic for you. This is how to make 1000% ROI in the 2025 crypto bull run. In this lesson, you will see and learn how use the past data to understand how to move with precision in the future. We will dive in and understand what is ahead in crypto based on tech advancement, and especially how to structure your portfolio to maximize profit in the next 12 months and your next move. So, are you ready? Okay, let's start to explain what is the bull run and how it works, the bull run. So now in crypto space, start the bull run. Bull run, it means when the price of the cryptocurrency will go up a lot, like 10 times more, 20 times more, 50 times more, due to the positive sentiment in the market and the positive sentiment from the investor. Plus, in this bull run that is started, and is the best moment now for buy cryptocurrency, there's the mass adoption, there's government involved, private institution, bank, and so will be inevitable in the next year that the price of Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrency will go up a lot. Okay. As you can see, there's Donald Trump that is promoting Bitcoin. He talked at the Bitcoin conference. And now the United States, they are creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve. What it means, Bitcoin reserve? It means that, yes, they have gold reserve and they will create the government start purchasing and buy Bitcoin for create a Bitcoin reserve, because Bitcoin is the digital gold. And not only United States, but a lot of countries, they are using the same strategy. The government, like El Salvador, for example, they are buying Bitcoins and they want to hold for a long time because the price of Bitcoin is go up and is the best asset in the world right now for the performance, and is limited. Plus, there's institutions like Goldman Sachs, Vanguard, BlackRock, Fidelity that they are buying and they're positive to Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency. Okay. For example, if you look BlackRock under management, they have something crazy. They have under the management, normally they have 11 trillion. Vanek, they have a billion under management. Fidelity, 4.5 trillion under management. They're the biggest company in the world. For example, BlackRock is the main shareholder of Apple, of Amazon, the main shareholder of Tesla. You can search online. It's the most powerful company in the world. And they are investing in Bitcoin. They create a Bitcoin ETF. It's also the China unbanned the Bitcoin. Also Russia is positive about Bitcoin. And also the biggest company in the world, they are considering to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. For example, Microsoft, now also Amazon, also Google, they would like to create a Bitcoin reserve for preserve the value of the company and allow to the company to have a bigger valuation for the investor in the future. Okay, so that's why this year, 2024 December, is the best moment ever for buy Bitcoin and to start to consider to invest in crypto. Okay. So let's start with reliable data. Today, crypto market to December 2024 is 3.7 more or less. It's 65 trillion. And if you look in 2020, in the previous bull run, there were every 4 years there's a bull run. The previous one, it was in 2020. The crypto market cap, it was 1 billion and 63. After the bull run, it went to 2.5 trillion dollar. In this bull run, it's happening the same. We were around 2, we are going to 4. And probably we will arrive at 20 trillion dollar. So what is the market cap? If you don't know the market cap, is the total investment inside, the total money inside the market. It's the same also in the stock. Okay, so what it means having say 3.7 trillion and Bitcoin is at 2 trillion, it means something very interesting. It means that we are still at the beginning, so you are still in time for buy crypto and make a lot of profit, but you have to listen me because you are in time. But if you want to make profit in the short time, we have to move fast, not in the next year, okay? Very fast. It means that we are still at the beginning because if you consider the total market cap in the stock market is like 100 trillion, or if you consider the real estate is hundreds of trillion. Here is only 3.7 trillion. We are in. If you look at the long term, is amazing. You can make 10x your money. But in the short term, we can make 50x if you listen us. So that's why we are making this video for you. In the realistic scenario, in the next 12 months, the market cap will be around 24 trillion. It means that you can make 15x to 20x your money, okay? Or even more. I want to explain to you everything. Let's talk about the narrative, how you can make also 1,000% in ROI in the next 6 or 12 months. I don't want to be boring. I want to explain immediately which crypto you have to buy in this bull run for make a lot of profits in just some months, okay? The best crypto right now to buy, they are the real world asset. I know that can be difficult. Real world assets are physical assets like real estate or commodities tokenized on the blockchain, enable them to be used in the decentralized finance, like houses or gold turn into digital tokens on the blockchain so they can be used in the crypto world. Can be difficult. You can ask to ChatGPT if you don't understand. The real world crypto, it means that they are crypto that you can use in the real world for transaction, for real estate, or in the banking system. Okay, they're a little bit difficult, but this crypto, they're the crypto to buy because they're the biggest institution involved in this crypto, and they will go up a lot the price. The second narrative to buy and consider is the gaming, because the gamers, they love to play video game, right? Maybe you too, you love to play a video game, but imagine that the gamers, they can play video games and also make money. They can trade digital assets and they can own items in the blockchain. So it is very powerful, because right now there are hundreds of millions or billions to gamers in the world that they play at Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, but they don't make money. Now they start understanding the games that they can play and make money. So this is a narrative that also in the previous bull run, I know in person, a lot of people that they make 100x with investment in 6 months. And I will show you with data. I know it can sound crazy, but I will show everything with data. And then last narrative to consider and invest is the AI blockchain. The AI is the centralized AI, because all the company right now, they need AI, because with the AI, the companies, they have more efficiency in terms of cost, revenue, energy, and time consumed, and everything, because the same work that a normal employee can do in 3 days, the AI can maybe do it in 1 hour with half the cost of the employee. So all the company now, they want implement the AI as a strategy. And there's a lot of AI crypto. What it means, it's like in the stock. I want to explain better. There's company that they produce AI for other company, and instead to be listed in the stock market, okay, they are listed in the decentralized finance through the cryptocurrency, okay? So you are not investing in just a token. You are not investing, okay, in a crypto with nice color and a nice logo. No, you are investing in a real project. Behind this crypto, this token, there are real company, okay? And most of them, they're working with a lot of important name like IBM, Microsoft, Apple, banks like JP Morgan or Goldfinch Finance. And you are not buying just a crypto, you are buying a share of a company. It's like the stocks, but it's decentralized. It means that there are no entities between your money and the company. You give the money directly to the company without a person between. They can be a bank, for example. Okay. So, real world asset, gamings, and AI blockchain will be the biggest narrative, and is where the investor they will invest the most money, because there's a very strong and positive sentiment. And also, if you look, for example, in the AI company, Nvidia in the stock is now the biggest company per market cap. It's the same here in the crypto. There's a strong and very positive sentiment for the AI company or for the gaming or for the real world company that they are listed in the decentralized finance through the crypto token. Okay, so let's continue the video. Realistic scenario. Let's talk about how to structure a crypto portfolio to make 1000% ROI with low risk in less than 50 months. I want to explain to you, you can do by yourself, okay? But be careful. Then I will explain also why. The fundamental rule for structure your portfolio is the rule of 33%. 33%, it must be invested in the layer 1 blockchain and the main crypto like Solana, Ethereum, and AVAX. This portion of your portfolio is called also collateral because they are crypto so much big, very safe, very solid that it is impossible to lose money. It's statistically proof that in 5 years, the price of this coin it make like 500%. So it's impossible to lose money, and this is the collateral. Is where you can have a good ROI in not only in the short term, but also in the long term. So it's the collateral. If you invest 33% of your portfolio here in this coin, I guarantee you that you don't lose money. 33%, as I told you before, in AI and decentralized finance or real world asset. Which coin? Render, Fetch, Aave, Pendle, Mantra. I explained to you. For example, Render and Fetch, they are AI company. Render is producing AI for Apple computing. So it's not a small company or it's just a coin. No, it's a big company, Render. You can search online. They have the website and they produce AI for very big company. Or Fetch AI, same. They produce AI for the company in the S&P 500. They work with IBM, with Microsoft, with Amazon Web Service, and with a lot of tokens. Mantra and Pendle, they are company more in the finance because they allow to the banks to create the token, and they have big customer investor like JP Morgan and also BlackRock or Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley. I mean, they're big, very big company and project. And then the last part of your portfolio, it must go in gamings like Immutable, Gala, Beam, and meme coins, a small part. Gaming's company, as I told you before, they are explosive, and I want to show you with data and also in real person. If you look at the chart in the past, they are explosive. I invest, and I will show you, and I know, and I invest in company here that they produce video game that in the last bull run they make like 100%. 1,000% in a few months. So they're very exclusive. Of course, the risk is a little bit more, but it's worth it because you can multiply a lot your wealth. And then there's also the meme coins. Meme coins, they're not company, they are not serious project. They are just social trends. It means that they do a good marketing on the social media using the influencer and the ads. And the people that don't know nothing about meme coins, they just buy Pepe, Bonk, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. They are not serious company, but you can make profit if you know when to buy and how to sell. It's very important. So this is how you structure your portfolio, and I structure also my portfolio. You can do the same, and you cannot lose money because the 33% they are here. And now explain why. I wanna show you first the ROI, and then I wanna make a disclaimer. This is with the collateral. These coins, you cannot lose money because if you have 1 million, you invest 330K here. In 1 year, you can make from 200% to 500%. It's very good. So you don't lose your money, plus you have a little bit of a good profit, I want to say. This is the return that you can have. With the AI and real world asset, you can make from 500% to 1,500%. ROI in 12 months is a lot, okay? And with the gamings, you can make from 500 to 3,000%. Is a lot. There's not right now asset like the cryptocurrency that allow you to make this crazy ROI in this short period of time and with no risk, I want to say, and also, or with a small risk, and also, let's say, in a almost passive way. Is crazy. I know it's crazy, but we are in the burra. Is when the price of the coin, they go up a lot. And now, if you invest, now is the best moment. I'm recording this video in December 2024. And if you buy crypto before February, you are in time. Otherwise, it's going to be too late. You can make profit, but not this type of ROI. Okay? So I want to make also an important disclaimer. Investing in cryptocurrency can be high risky and volatile, especially when you went down without proper research or understanding. This is very important. Don't now invest me, do your own research, okay? And if you don't know what to do, how to sell, how to protect your crypto, do it with expert. It's very important. And that's the reason because we are making this video, because we are expert and we can help you. It's important to be aware of potential scams such as wallet frauds and avoid making investment decisions based solely on unverified information. We strongly recommend you to conducting thorough research before engaging in any cryptocurrency investment. This is a very important disclaimer. And cryptocurrency, yes, are the best asset in the world, but you need an expert, or if you don't want to hire an expert, okay, I'm totally fine, but do your own research and please be careful because there's a lot of scam. That's the hacker that try to hack your wallet, hack your device and steal all the data and password and also your cryptocurrency. There are a lot of scam. There are coins that the volatility is very high, so be careful. Otherwise, hire an expert like us, okay? This is a very important disclaimer because I think the crypto, for me, they are the best asset, especially now in this moment that we are in bull run, but you have to be careful. So do your own research. So this is a recap about what you learned in this lesson. We will use the past data and trends to understand how to move with precision in the future, looking what the market cap, okay? Then we explain what's happening right now in the crypto space, that there are government, banks, institutions like BlackRock, JP Morgan, the president of the United States, Donald Trump, they are promoting crypto. I explained to you how to structure your portfolio to maximize your profit and make 1,000% ROI. And what's now the next step I want to explain to you. Okay, so if you are a high net worth investor, because we can just help high net worth individual. Our services are very exclusive. They're not for everybody. They're for high net worth individual. Or if you are a person that work with high net worth individual targets, Go to watch our free case study, because you will discover how to 5x your capital in the next 12 months with a proven asymmetric strategy. You will understand our story. You will understand, and we will show how much money we did in the last bull run. We will open our accounts, our wallet, and we will show you, explain in the maximum transparency, everything. So go to watch our presentation, please. And you will discover how to structure your portfolio, how to protect your funds. Is very important, because it's not only investing in cryptocurrency, you have to protect your fund. Some case study you will see about investors, people that invest with us, and the money that we invest for ourselves, what we are doing, a lot of case study we have, and how to leverage our expertise to make sure you do not commit any mistake in the coming bull run. So this is what you will find in the presentation. Follow the link below. If you are a high net worth investor, you work with high net worth individual people, watch the video below. And I hope that you like this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.